Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp glitch problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search on WhatsApp. Then scroll down to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it on, or turn the Bluetooth off and turn it on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear your data, all the documents and all the files and the media and the chats and the messages, the settings will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.